KPIX5's Andria Borba joins us from SFO with the truths on the disease and how to stay healthy. Andria?
In front of the newly organized Coronavirus Emergency Operations Center in San Francisco, city leaders and managers wanted to make a few points clear. First,
it's important to recognize that there are no confirmed cases in San Francisco at this time. We are actively preparing for the possibility of confirmed cases.
Second, flights from Wuhan to SFO have stopped as of last Thursday and for the immediate future, including a State Department flight to evacuate American diplomats and others from Wuhan. That plane is now landing first in Alaska.
We are also monitoring the State Department flight out of Wuhan, and the latest information we have is that flight will arrive to the U.S. via Anchorage, and then it will make its way to Ontario, California.
Despite confirmed cases in the U.S., the risk is not high unless you've traveled to Wuhan or come into contact with someone who has traveled to Wuhan.
At this point, we're not recommending that anybody wear any mask.
As for the symptoms, the Department of Public Health is urging flu shots, so similar symptoms won't be mistaken by anyone for coronavirus. And if your nose is running, it is likely not the coronavirus.
But what we understand is that it does tend to be a lower respiratory infection, so shortness of breath, the symptoms that you might associate with pneumonia primarily.
Now, the Department of Public Health has opened its operations center 24 hours a day. There will be a phone staff for doctors in San Francisco to call if they have a patient they suspect may have the coronavirus. They want to have that available 24 hours round the clock for those doctors. As for other myths about the coronavirus, if you're concerned about your packages coming in from China, not to worry. The virus cannot live at minimum 2 to 3 days. It takes a package to get from China to the United States. It is primarily transmitted person to person through droplets that come from sneezes and coughs. Live at SFO tonight, Andria Borba, KPIX 5.